to open account on RBC Royal Bank of Canada. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to open a new account on RBC Royal Bank of Canada, here is the steps that you need to follow. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and go to rbcroyalbank.com. Once that is done, scroll down to find the kind of account that you want to open. It could be checking account, saving account, and much more. If you cannot find it that way, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and then go to the accounts section. From here, you will see different kinds of personal accounts, business accounts, and other offers related to it. Make sure to scroll down to find the one that best fits your needs. And once you compared all of the interest rate and benefits, you can continue with Apply Now button. Once you tap on the Apply Now button, it should take you to another page. If you already have an account, you can continue with sign in to online banking, but since it is opening a new account, you can start up with Start Banking with us. This requires you now to follow the 9-step of application. This includes telling about yourself, that is personal information, address, legal information, employment status, and all of such verification. Once the form is submitted, it will be verified by RBC site, and if all things are verified, you have successfully opened an account. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.